the new stainless steel Series 6 Apple Watch in gold. The other day I posted an unboxing and matching watch faces video. Today we're styling it so you know how it looks with certain things from clothing to other watch bands. Hopefully this will give you a better idea of how it's like to dress with this Apple Watch. If it does, give it a like and subscribe for more. Let's get started. Before getting into colors, you have to know which band to wear with what. The stainless steel bands are great with formal wear, like the Milanese loop. Leather bands are also great, whether you're wearing a suit or a blouse for work and events, or a button down. The new braided solo loop is great for women's blouses and dresses. It will dress down men's suits, but done right could complete a semi-formal combo. Stainless steel and leather also works great with everyday casual wear. Braided loops are perfect for it. And all the other watch bands work too, even though they're made for the extremities of sport. You'll be more pleased with sport bands, sport loops, or solo loops for activewear. It's more comfortable and visually pleasing to match compared to other watch bands. Of course, all neutral colors will go with gold. Earth tones seem only natural. I love dark colors with this. Both cool and warm colors, like navy, green, and dark teal, maroon. Light colors are still very pleasing. Some patterns can either look good or clash with watch bands, so check out my channel for each individual review and subscribe so you don't miss any. It looks like Apple made a lot of their new watch bands to match their new gold and graphite stainless steel. Fun for us and our wallet. For example, all of the new sport loop colors match with this gold. The same guidelines for earlier apply to watch bands and watch faces. I find myself using this stainless steel Milanese loop as my default band. It is a good everyday band, just don't wear it when moving fast or sweating like workouts and dancing. I don't like mixing stainless steel parts with gold, but sometimes it's not that obvious, so I don't mind. Here's a bonus. If you like having fun like I do, matching cases to it is also fun. It's all about the little things in life. In conclusion, I love the stainless steel gold. You can match it with so much. It's great to look at right in front of you on your wrist. I will be wearing it a lot, but I think I'll be wearing my silver stainless steel even more. We'll see in the next few weeks. Then I can come back with a more long-term review that includes function and practicality. I might end up giving in to getting a smaller 40mm Apple Watch because some of the 44mm Apple Watch bands are just too long. But I really like the large screen size of the 44mm. If anyone else has this problem or has any other feature requests, let's go to apple.com/feedback. Then if enough of us are making this request, I'm sure they could make it happen because they've been listening a lot lately. I really hope this helped. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.